What a beautiful morning in Colorado Springs, Pike National Forest. After a day of snow, I thought I'd come out and do a little POTA. ICOM 705, an iPad running SDR, wireless, FT8. I use a Wolf River coil. It's just always worked for me, and I use a Faraday cloth. I don't use radials anymore. I'll go for 13 and then switch to single sideband. Okay, one more time, and then we're going to cut that off and try some single sideband. We've made our activation. Is this frequency in use? This is Kilo Uniform 3 Charlie. CQ POTA, Kilo Uniform 3 Charlie.
Whiskey 6 Bravo Delta.
You cannot hear me. I gotta get my raincoat on. Now it's outright raining, so.
Whiskey 6 Papa Uniform Golf Park to Park.
Go ahead, park to park.
This is Whiskey 6 Papa Uniform Golf Park to Park. I have you 5 and 5, California.
QSL Whiskey 6 Papa Uniform Golf.
Okay, 5-5 My Park, US-4571. QSL?
QSL My Park 4404.
November 4, Alpha Tango Juliet. Kilo Oscar 6, India, Quebec, Romeo.
Okay, now I'm just getting wet, so I think I'm going to wrap it up. I definitely activated Pike National Forest, Park 4404. And I'll never activate in a vehicle. It's just not my style. I mean, just to put this rain in perspective, it's in the 30s, so it could be snow. Did it turn nasty? Clouds coming in over the mountains there. I always like to do a hike in addition to radio. And Pikes Peak got like 30 inches yesterday. Back to the Ranger Raptor. Kilo Uniform 3 Charlie.